chair is empty, the room feels cold, a story left untold, a hand I can't hold. His shadow lingers, stitched in the air, but he's not there, he's not there. Oh, Father, did you see me grow? Did you hear the words I'll never know? I'm searching for pieces scattered and gone, a boy and a man, where do we belong? I wore your coat, it hung too loose, the threads of you, a fragile truce. The mirror whispers you're in my face, a silent trace, a silent trace. The words I need, they slip through time, a broken rhyme, a broken rhyme. Oh, Father, did you see me grow? Did you hear the words I'll never know? I'm searching for pieces scattered and gone, a boy and a man, where do we belong? We built a house of brittle sand, the tide came fast, we couldn't stand. But if I call your name, will it ring true? Can I find you? Can I find